Welcome back, everyone. So, if you watched the previous video I made on gold, you'll see that gold actually did the pullback that we are anticipating for right here. The market was here yesterday, and fortunately, the market came all the way down to retest this particular key zone. And I took a buy following this engulfing candlestick, and the market actually did a very good one. What do I mean by that? The market came all the way down, all the way up to this place before it began to come down again. So the main thing here is actually very simple, but it looks bullish to me. And if I'm also going to take a very quick dive to DXY, which is dollar index, you will notice that dollar index currently is in a very stretch move. Okay, you just keep going higher and higher without any actual pullback. You can see this is more like a price action. I don't quite understand. This is not a pullback. And you can see this is the first time you actually do any level of pullback, anything that looks like a pullback. However, it's still pretty small because if I try to measure this with Fibonacci, that is below 38%. So that's not an actual pullback, right? If I try to measure the second one as well from here to this place, that's not even. I'm not sure this is up to 23%. So we've seen the dollar index actually been running up. Okay, so what am I anticipating for on dollar index, which could also affect my gold trade? It's actually very simple. So since dollar has been going up without any serious pullback, I know at a point dollar is gonna come like this, break this key zone right here, this current key zone, do an actual pullback probably, and then come back down to retest this area. And I'm very sure so many traders are looking forward to this so that they can continue to take some more buy opportunity on dollar index, and this will affect US Japanese yen, USD CAD, USD CHF. Okay, this is gonna be the key point here, because if you also check USD JPY, the same thing is actually happening to USD JPY, and I'm currently buying USD JPY. Okay, but we're not talking about currencies, we're focusing on the commodities. That's why I didn't share this. Okay, so now going back to XAUUSD, which is good. I know this might take a little while to kind of play out, maybe for it to continue to go up, at least to retest this zone. If I thought it's gonna crash again, I don't know, but it might. And if that successfully play out based on what I've explained to you on DXY, okay, so we might eventually see gold actually go up, or it might just come down to this place, maybe retest this area again, then go up. That's the second way we can say it. Or it might just come down here, close me out in loss, and then go up. Or it might just continue to go down. Okay, it's either it goes up in these two ways, or it comes down and then probably do something like this, then continue to go down. All right. I don't quite know what's going to happen, but the trade currently fits my system. Okay. There's a breakout, there's a retest, there's a pullback, and then I'm just buying. So the only news that's important that is coming out today for pound is the CPI and the Governor Bailey speech. Aside that, there's actually nothing that much important that I am looking forward to as regard fundamentals today. So moving forward, guys, I'll be looking forward to see something like this, at least to retest this previous high, or the market could come down to retest this zone, move back up, or the market can close me out in loss, can continue to go down. Maybe we see continuation of the range, and then we finally get this breakout of this support level, pull back. All right, so I can finally take the short trade I've been looking forward to take. Okay, so don't forget, these are the three outlook that might come out of this trade. It's either I run into profit and it's going to be a very decent one, or it closed me out in loss, range a little bit, then come down so I can look for the short opportunity that I've been so very much anticipating for quite some time now. Aside that, I don't quite see any other thing or any other way out of this. So that is the plan for me on gold today.